Please, can I meet you?
I'm Natasha anyway, but
Wow, you contestant what?
contestant 7.
Contestant number 7. So what are we looking out for tonight from you?
Well, I'm gonna do my best, 100% sure. I'm gonna work hard and make sure everyone is proud of her here.
Okay, you had that. So what if you don't emerge the winner?
Well, everyone has his own, success. So I'm just gonna, be happy and just be calm.
Okay, she said she's just gonna be happy and be calm. So when you see her backstage, she'll be happy and she's calm if she doesn't win. But if she wins, what will you do?
Oh God, I just can't imagine myself being happy. It's gonna be so amazing.
Okay, thank you, contestant number 7. You're looking amazing.
Thank you.
Bye. I'm with two beautiful ladies, one on my left and one at my right. Please, can I meet you?
Yes, my name is Amarachi Bojuba.
Wow, and you?
My name is